Web development tools. First up, we need a text editor. A text editor is really just a special program that doesn't add hidden data to your files. So if you ever used Microsoft Word and you can put tables and stuff in there and you can embed images and stuff, we don't want any of that. That has extra hidden data behind the scenes. We don't want that. Now, I highly recommend downloading and installing VS Code. It's free, it's popular, it's very powerful. And again, it's free. And you can use it on Mac, Windows, Linux, pretty much every operating system out there. Next, you need browsers. Different browsers render content differently. So if you can right now, I would highly suggest just pausing this video and going and installing Google Chrome. Download and install Mozilla Firefox. If you're on a Mac, download Safari. You probably already have it if you're on a Mac. Unfortunately, I don't believe it's available for Windows users, at least not at this point in time. And lastly, get Microsoft Edge. You want these 4 main browsers to test your websites on. Next up, you need a command line program. Now, luckily, every computer has a command line program built in by default. On Windows, your command line tool is called CMD, command. On Mac, your command line tool is called terminal. And on Linux, your command line tool is called bash. Lastly, you do need one more thing to efficiently learn how to code. You need internet access. All of humanity's knowledge is at your fingertips as long as you have internet access. So for that reason, it's important to have internet. We do a lot of searching for answers on the internet as well as web developers. We don't know all the answers. We don't memorize the solution to everything. We try to figure it out, and sometimes we forget things. I even forget basic things sometimes. You just hop on Google and ask your question in Google or in a Facebook group.